Hello guys, Tech here. So, I have this bike for like almost 2 years now. Not 2 years, a year and a half. Yeah, more or less like that. So I'm at the moment where I find that this bike is limiting me. So I'm shopping around. I'm seeing what I can get for this bike and what kind of bikes there are. And I found a funny thing, a very funny thing. And the thing is, you should never buy a bike when it's the riding season. Yeah, that's it. It's my take, my hot take, and I will tell you why. Because everybody else wants a bike also, and that's a problem. So let's think about it a little bit. So, if you want to sell a bike, where's the when should you sell it? You should sell it when everybody is looking for a bike. So, riding season. What's the problem with that? If you have only one bike, you basically sell your ride and you are out of riding season. So most people will sell the bike that they have and trade it in for something else, and they will enjoy a new ride for the riding season. They will learn the bike, stuff like that. So if you want to be smart and try to game the system a little bit, what should you do? Well, you should sell your bike in the season, by off season. Off season should be around January, February. There are a few shows that I will put the normal dates, but there's a few motorcycle shows that start in the middle of the year, in the first half of the year. Fucking Miata. That will unveil new bikes, and guess what? Whenever a new model comes out, the old model gets depreciated because it's the old model. Yeah, that's the trick. So whenever you want to buy a bike, buy a previous year bike, and it will be discounted because the dealer will have a previous year bike that people don't like. You can wait a little bit if you don't want to buy a bike in December or January because you don't have a place to put it. You can wait until till spring, until the first days that people start riding, the ones that brave the temperatures. But be advised that your selection may be a lot smaller than previously, because some people know what I'm talking about and will try to get deals. As soon as the year turns over, they will start trying to check what the dealers have that is from a previous year, and will try to get a discount on those bikes. So that's it. That's my strategy at the moment. I will probably keep this bike for another season and try to do it on the next season, but we will see. Maybe I won't do this. Maybe I will succumb to the new shiny bike that appears next year, and I will trade this in, but we will see. But just wanted to give you guys a heads up. If you are planning to trade your bike, maybe end your season a little bit early. wait for the bikes to leave the dealerships. And at the moment, remember that there's a lot of people that want to ride, and there's not enough bikes. The dealers have still constraining stocks. When I bought my bike, there were only two equal to this, one in red, one in black. And when I talked to the dealer in that morning, he said that he had only two colors. When I appeared there more at around noon, he said to me, well, at the moment I only have the black one. The red one was sold just after I talked to you. I can talk to the guy that reserved it, but he was also undecided with the black one. So if we can try to get a swap, but if you want the red one, you will probably need to wait at least a month. And that was in August. So imagine if in September you start to getting rains, and you don't want to ride in the rain, or you don't have rain gear, it will basically end your season. So keep that in mind when you buy a bike. Timing is everything. For example, I know that some bikes increased in price from January to June or July. Some prices were augmented, and the bike was the same. The only difference is you have more inflation, but the bike was already in the store. It's just the function that a lot of people wanted the bikes in June, in July, but in January no one wants a bike. It's cold, it's rainy, you will buy a bike to sit, so most people don't like to buy bikes in the winter. But that's the best way to get a nice discount, is to go get a previous year model after the midnight. So imagine that it's Cinderella, and after the midnight the bell tolls and the bike is valued less. So that's my tip to you guys, for the ones that are looking for to trade up. So that's it. See ya.